additional sleep accumulation. Ice accumulation around our trace. Lows in the lower 30s.
I'm trying to record a test.
Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up
Has
to
the
30
test been
miles per
postponed
hour.
or something?
Chance of
It is
precipitation
Wednesday.
70%.
Or is it Thursday?
Mostly
Is the
cloudy
test
in the
Thursday or
morning,
Wednesday? I don't know.
becoming partly sunny. Highs in the
Alexa,
mid-60s.
when is the test for NOAA weather radios?
Miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour.
The weekly NOAA weather radio
Thursday night,
tests are
partly
conducted
cloudy
every
and
Wednesday
windy.
between 11 a.m.
Lows
and
in the
noon
lower
local time.
30s. Winds 25 to 30
It's
miles
11:08
per
right
hour
now,
with gusts up to 40 miles
so
per
we
hour.
should get it any second.
Friday, partly sunny and windy. Highs in the upper 30s.
Epilepsy
Northwest
warning.
winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows near 50. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow showers. Highs in the mid-30s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Here is the National Weather Service extended forecast for Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, and vicinity. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Monday, partly sunny with a chance of rain. Highs in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, rain likely. Lows in the mid-30s. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, partly sunny with a 40% chance of rain. Highs in the upper 40s. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 43 degrees, the dew was 26, and the relative humidity 75%. The wind was windy at 5 miles per hour. The pressure was 30.12 inches and rising. Around eastern Pennsylvania, at Williamsport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 32 degrees. At Mount Pocono, it was cloudy. The temperature was 30 degrees.
Alright, I'm just gonna play into the test because
The temperature was 32 degrees. Affected. Total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch. Where? The Pennsylvania counties of Carbon and
here we are. Here we go. Here we go.
The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message, including internal alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. This was a test of the specific area message, including internal alert systems. The following is a winter weather message. For